everyone! Moose Fabio and Friends here! So, back to school time, huh? New classroom, a new seat, maybe even a new spot in the lunch line. That's a whole lot of new! But Moose Fabio's got the best trick for handling any of it. Get back in motion! For your New Year groove, bust out all new moves! I call these moves your first day boogie. Think of this as a kind of personal movement pack that is perfect for those first day wiggles. But you can use it all year long, whenever you need it. First up, parade march. March in place, knees up high, steady and focused. Great for marching into the next subject, huh? Next up, thunderclap. Quick claps to wake yourself up and build a little energy. Here's one of my favorites. It's called tall to small. I use it to get all my big energy down to a size easier to work with. Ready to try it with me? Reach those arms up as tall as you can get. Tall, taller, tallest! And now fold all the way down, small as you can be, and touch those toes. Ooh, feel that? Those jitters are just a squeezing on out. And finally, there's a crisscross. Marching in place while tapping opposite elbow to opposite knee. This gets both sides of the brain talking to each other. A genuinely great move for focus. And to wind down, balloon breath. Stand tall, arms overhead, like you're a balloon filling up. Then slowly let the air out as you lower your arms. Inspired by a yoga-style pose, no balance required. Just a big full body breath. And remember, if none of these moves does the trick, there's always one of my favorites. The teeny tiny dance party. 30 seconds, no rules. Just move however feels good. It gets those wiggles out and it gets you focused.